Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting the supply valve fully. That prevents water while you work and avoids surprises. Once done, flush to empty most of the tank, then sponge out remaining water. Make sure to capture it in a bucket to protect flooring. Now loosen the valve nut with an adjustable wrench while holding the valve body steady with pliers to prevent twisting. You remove any retaining clips or caps so the compression nut is exposed and ready for removal. You continue by supporting the valve body with one tool and using another to turn the compression nut counterclockwise. This prevents stress on the supply line and fitting. Once the nut backs off, slide it and the ferrule down the pipe and withdraw the valve stems straight out to avoid scoring the tubing. Inspect the ferrule and valve seat for corrosion. You replace the ferrule if it's flattened, because a bad ferrule prevents a proper seal and causes leaks when you reinstall a new valve. You finish by fitting the new valve onto the pipe with the ferrule and nut, snugging by hand, then 1/4 turn with the wrench to compress the ferrule for a seal. That balance avoids deforming the tubing. Slowly reopen the supply to pressurize the line while watching for drips at the joint. This is your immediate test. If you see a slow leak, tighten a bit more. If it still leaks, replace the ferrule or cut and reflare the tube, because continued leakage means the seal surface is compromised.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.